It used to be that the theme that you chose for your WordPress website was kind of the workhorse of your whole website. And you could spend hours and hours looking for the right theme that would give you the layout on your website that you wanted. However, with the newer plugins like Elementor or any of the other page builders similar, we are going to work with Elementor because I like the extensive functionality that it has. You don't have to worry about that anymore. All you need is something basic. And so we are going to install my favorite basic theme. You don't need to pay for a theme anymore. We're going to use this free version. And here is how you do it. In the left column appearance, go to Themes. And it will give you a list of themes that you currently have installed. There's a couple of WordPress basic ones. You'll probably have 2021 or 2020. It usually defaults to one of the newer ones. And a couple others that we're going to deal with later. Well, you can add a theme in a different way. Going to WordPress.org themes, one of the critical pieces is that we install a child theme. So I'm going to link you to the theme I use, which is called Sydney, and its child theme, because it's way easier to just upload a child theme and have it there working than to try to set that up yourself. So go ahead and click the link to go find those and download both of them. They're zip files. Download them both to your computer. You will need to update them after they're installed, but for now, so once you have them downloaded, just click this upload button. Click upload theme and choose file and navigate to where you saved that file. And you should have both Sydney and Sydney Child. Start with Sydney because that is the base framework and click install now. And interestingly, you need to install this parent theme, but you don't need to activate it. So you can skip that activate. Just go right back to your themes page and turn around and click upload again. We're going to install the child version. So upload theme, choose file, and then upload that Sydney Child and install, and then we will actually activate that one. What a child theme does is all of your customizations and modifications that you make, it stores them separately. So when you get to the point that the theme, the parent theme, the basic core of it, has an update, which it will, because those are security issues, if you don't have a child theme, all of your modifications will be written over. And you do not want that. You don't want to have to go back and redesign your whole website. So a child theme is really critical. And we just uploaded this version of a child theme, and now we need to make sure that that is what is active. So go ahead and activate that child theme. And from here, this is what we'll be working with. Again, you can dismiss all of these messages. Make sure Sydney Child is activated. That's what we're going to be doing all of our customizations on from now forward. And again, it's great that you don't have to spend all this time searching for themes anymore, because Elementor, which we're going to be using, will let you handle the layout of your site so easily. And then there's plugins that can extend all of your functionality. And I'm going to show you a really cool tip after we install some plugins where you can actually change the name of that theme if you want. It'll be the same theme, but it'll be your name. Not required, but it can be nice to do. It's optional and up to you. So let's move on.